and some kind of treasure things out of the breaking things. I don't know what is it, some kind of seashell. So let's draw it. So first of all, let's go and draw with this sharky man. Sharky, little bit sharky. So first of all, let's draw her upper side with a blue color. Okay, nice and gentle. Don't go outside of the draw line. I always say if you go to the out of the draw line, then it will ruin your drawing, so when you are drawing the edge of the draw line, so make sure don't go out of the draw line. Okay, if you go, it will you ruin your drawing, because I'm always saying that don't go outside of the draw line. Okay, and always be careful with the sensitive part of the drawing. When you're drawing something, be careful. Okay, as you see, my first shark first is done, and now her lower part with this color, just like this. When it's done, I can say that it will look so fine. As you can see, it's already looking so good and nice. Just imagine when it's done, it will be look so good, It's not a wool, because look at his tail. From his tail, I can say it's a shark, not a wheel. Okay, as you can see, it's almost done. Now her eyes part, just like the other. Let's give it a nice eye, just like this. You see, it's already looking so nice. He's smiling, and now little fish. So I think it should be a green fish or something. So first of all let's draw his tail. Then I can draw other things to her. Okay, just like this. See, and now her body also will be the green color, just like this. Be careful, because this type of drawing and this type of part has so much detailing, and if you miss with one of them and your drawing is done. Done means it is done, man. You can draw, but the finishing work will not look so good. Okay, and now the red color will be on her face, just like this. Except this part. Okay. it's looking so nice and good. And let's give I don't know, give this blue color. Let's give it this color to his fangs, wings, whatever it's called, but it's not look so good, I think. So I'm going to use this color for her fan or whatever it is called, I don't know. Just draw it like this. Okay, and now it's kind of looking good. A little bit of here. So this is it for the part, and I hope you guys enjoy, and see you in the next part of the video. So thank you for watching, and see you.